with the chilly but fairly decent weather in southern parts of England, the southern half of Wales, the Midlands and east of England. Even here, despite some hazy sunshine today, it will turn increasingly cloudy compared with yesterday. And actually there'll be some showers spreading in across Devon and Cornwall. They'll spread their way eastwards into the afternoon.
I've just posted a picture of Flo. Everybody can see it. Everybody loved the picture of Felix yesterday. Got lots of comments. And lots of comments on Flora. Here's what they said about you. Here we are. That picture I took of you yesterday.
Suddenly, so for Northern Ireland, I think we'll do well to get to about 9 today, and there will be some fairly steady rain on and off here, and the Antrim Hills could even see a little bit of sleetiness, believe it or not, a bit of a breeze picking up.
What's her take on the Greek exit from the Euros then?
West of England, it gets quite windy later.
Flora told me, according to Alex, it all depends on how well her brokering between Merkel and Holland goes. It's touch and go apparently, but as you can see,
road signs on the high routes in northern Scotland and western